Hello friends, how are you doing? Hope you are doing good. So friends, have you taken the COVID-19 vaccine yet? If you have already taken it, then share your experience in the comment section below. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So, let's see what are the COVID-19 vaccines available as of June 2021 in India, what they contain and how they work. DCGI approved for emergency use 3 vaccines are available in India. They are Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik V. So let's see what's inside Covaxin, how many shots we need to take and how it works. Covaxin is formulated in India and is being manufactured by Bharat Biotech, Hyderabad. We need to take 2 shots of it and the gap between 2 shots is 4 to 6 weeks. Covaxin uses dead coronavirus. So let's see how Covaxin works. As we have seen, Covaxin contains dead coronavirus which is not capable of infection inside the human body. But in response to the dead virus, human body produces antibody specially tailored for the coronavirus, which eats up the virus and protects us from the infection. Let's try to understand this through this slide. When we take the vaccine, dead coronavirus gets inside our body. A type of cell known as antigen presenting cell engulfs the dead virus and digests it, and it releases the virus protein which activates the helper T cells. Helper T cell is a type of immune cell which raises an alarm for other immune cells to fight the infection. Another type of immune cell known as B cell, when come in contact with the spike protein or spike protein fragments released by the antigen presenting cell, some of them are able to log this. If the B cell is already activated by a helper T cell, then they start to increase in number rapidly and pour out antibodies specially tailored for the spike protein of coronavirus. They latch out the virus protein and prevent infection by blocking them. Once vaccinated, the immune system can respond to an infection of live coronavirus. The antigen presenting cells also activates another type of immune cell known as killer T cells to destroy the coronavirus infected cells that display spike protein or fragments of spike protein on their surface. According to BBC.com, the efficacy of Covaxin is 81%. So let's see what's inside Covishield, how many shots we need to take and how it works. Covishield. Covishield is formulated by Oxford University and AstraZeneca and is being manufactured by Serum Institute of India. Number of shots we need to take are 2 and the gap between the 2 shots is 12 to 16 weeks. It uses a modified harmless chimpanzee adenovirus as a carrier to deliver a small fragment of DNA of spike protein of coronavirus. In the two shots, it uses the same adenovirus. So let's see how Covishield works. As you have seen, Covishield has harmless adenovirus. Inside it, the DNA of coronavirus spike protein is present. After the vaccine is injected into a person's arm, the adenovirus bumps into cells and latches on its surface. The cell engulfs the virus in a bubble and pulls it inside. Once inside, the adenovirus escapes from the bubble and travels to the nucleus, where cell's DNA is stored. The adenovirus pushes its DNA into the nucleus. As the adenovirus is inactivated, it can't replicate, but the coronavirus spike protein is read by the cell and copied by messenger RNA or mRNA. The mRNA leaves the nucleus and the cell's molecule read it, like we read message on our phones and react accordingly. As it has the message of spike protein of coronavirus, it starts assembling spike proteins. 3 spike proteins assemble to form a spike. These spikes migrate to the cell surface. The vaccinated cell also breaks up its spike proteins into fragments, which also it releases on its surface. These spikes and spike protein fragments are recognized by the immune system. When a vaccinated cell dies, the debris contains spike protein and spike protein fragments. They can be engulfed by a type of immune cell known as antigen presenting cell. These cells digest the virus protein and sends fragments of the virus protein on its surface. Another type of cell known as helper T cells detect these fragments and they raise an alarm for other immune cells to fight the infection. So this helper T cell acts like a security guard. When it raises an alarm, another type of immune cell known as B cell get activated and start increase in number rapidly and it starts to form antibodies. These antibodies are tailored specially for the spike protein. They latch out the spike protein and prevent infection by blocking it. The antigen presenting cell also activates another type of immune cell known as killer T cell. The killer T cell kills the infected cells. So friends, we have seen in detail how Covishield works. We can summarize it as when the vaccine is injected, the different immune cells like antigen presenting cell, T cell, killer T cell, B cell present in the body become alert and active and they work in compliance with each other to fight against the infection. According to different sources, the efficacy of Covishield is between 65 to 70%. Let's see what's inside Sputnik V, how many shots we need to take and how it works. So let's see how Sputnik V works. Sputnik V. Sputnik V is developed by Gamaleya National Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology, Russia. The number of shots we need to take is 2 The gap between two shots is 3 weeks. It uses two different modified adenoviruses AD26 and AD5 which cause common cold in humans. As carrier, it carries DNA of coronavirus spike protein. It works in similar way as Covishield. We can summarize the working of it as harmless adenovirus with the DNA of coronavirus spike protein enters the body through vaccine. Human cell engulfs the virus. Virus puts its DNA into the nucleus. The cell's molecule starts making the spike protein molecule and spikes. These spikes migrate to the cell's surface. These spike proteins are recognized by a type of immune cell known as antigen presenting cell. They engulf it and digest the virus protein and sends fragments of virus protein on their surface. These fragments are recognized by another type of immune cell known as helper T cell, and they raise an alarm for other immune cells. Another type of immune cell known as B cell gets activated by helper T cell and starts to increase in number rapidly and pour out antibodies specially tailored for the coronavirus spike protein. These antibodies latch out the spike protein of coronavirus and prevent infection. These antibodies respond if any alive infection happens. The antigen presenting cell also activates another type of immune cell known as killer T cells which destroys any coronavirus infected cells. Sputnik V uses a different carrier virus in the second dose. Using a different carrier adenovirus may help create a more powerful immune response compared with using the same vector twice, as it minimizes the risk of the immune system developing resistance to the initial vector. According to Sputnik V vaccine website, the efficacy of Sputnik V vaccine is 80%.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.